Meet Inspect AR, a comprehensive, scalable enterprise augmented reality platform that increases safety and efficiency in your production process. Inspect AR converts paper-based procedures like standard operating procedures or manuals into fully digitalized workflows. In this way, Inspect AR guides your employees step by step, right to the spot, and ensures the process is followed. This makes everyone an instant expert, ready to execute even complex procedures on-site successfully. Enable your staff to execute complex machine format changes, packaging lines, line clearance, batches, and other processes more efficiently and error-free. Regardless if X-Safe smartphones, tablets, or headsets are used, Inspect AR is empowering the workers in all industries. Every step is tracked and analyzed in real time, which brings the transparency of your process execution to another level. You get quick insights, be it in your dashboards or reporting system. Ready to convince yourself? Get in contact. augment-it.com